Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding contacts on Viber. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home page of Viber, tap on the More button in the bottom right corner. Then select Add Contact from the menu that appears. Enter the phone number into the text box and then tap Continue. If the person you are adding doesn't have Viber, it will give you the option to send them an invite to join Viber. Add your contact's name and then tap the tick in the top right corner. The contact has been added to Viber. You can call them using Viber Out for a low-cost call. You can also invite them to join Viber here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Viber tips and tricks.